Cruise ports can be missed due to high wind causing dangerous swells. It's completely understandable due to safety being the primary concern. During our recent summer 2023 Baltic cruise, our cruise ship could not dock at Visby, Sweden. For us, it was disappointing since we were looking forward to visiting Visby, a medieval walled town with lots of history that we haven't been to, not to mention the time spent planning activities for this port. Please comment and let us know which cruise ports you've missed due to high wind and what time of the year it was. It will be interesting to see if there are certain ports that are missed frequently, and that cruise lines should either select alternate ports in future itineraries or make backup plans for a port that has a higher than normal rate of being missed.
After unfortunately having cancelled our port call at Visby today, we are now underway to Riga in Latvia, spending today at sea. The wind and waves were outside of the limits set by the port authorities, and we were therefore unable to dock at the cruise pier in Visby this morning. Of course, this is disappointing. Decisions are made with the safety of the ship and of everyone on board as the highest priority.